Hey Thomas,
Yeah, that's right. Yes, Dhoni bhai.
we have to start the video now.
Yes, Dhoni bhai.
Then why are you looking there?
No, I was just talking.
Don't waste time, let's get going.
Obviously, Dhoni was not talking to me. He was talking to Manish Pandey in one of the finest cricket matches India has ever played. And that was one of the rarest occasions where Dhoni is losing his cool and trying to shout out something. So keeping aside the rarest occasions, let us try to understand 4 characters of Mahendra Singh Dhoni that you need to learn from if you are an equity trader or an equity investor. So welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Thomas Verghese. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go and take a look at the channel in details, the content in the channel. If you think that makes sense, why don't you subscribe to my channel and also go ahead and give like for all my YouTube videos. So welcome once again. So Mahendra Singh Dhoni, arguably the best captain Indian cricket has ever seen, has displayed a lot of characters on and off the field that we need to look and learn from. I'm going to talk about the 4 characters of Mahendra Singh Dhoni that you need to learn, you and I need to learn from if you are an equity trader or an equity investor. So the first character is to stay calm. Now we all know for the fact that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is known as the Captain Cool. If you look at his face, you really can't figure out is he winning the match or is he losing the match. Even when he hit the last winning run in the World Cup finals, we really can't judge if he is winning the match or if he is losing the match. And that is how calm he is. That is how stable he is. That is exactly one of the main features, main characteristics that we need to display as an equity trader or as an equity investor. The market can be very volatile at times. It can go north, it can go south. But at the end of the day, it is very important that we stay calm. Even if you make high returns or even if you are not making that sort of high returns, it is really important to stay focused and stay calm. And that is the first feature that we need to learn or we need to understand from Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The second characteristic displayed by MSD is to take calculative risk. Now we all know that MSD takes hundreds of calculative risks. Just to give you an example, in that World Cup finals, he picked up Joginder Sharma to bowl at the last over when he had other options like Harbhajan Singh, Srishant and the others. He picked up this guy only taking a calculative risk, and he is known for that, right? Mahendra Singh Dhoni has taken calculative risk throughout his career. That is one of the main important points that we as an equity trader or an equity investor, we need to understand. That is to take calculative risk. Now you don't go behind any stock because somebody told you to invest. You need to understand what are the risks associated with that. We need to take calculative risk, understanding what could be the possible losses. What are the other situations that can lead you to a loss? And even if you win or even if you try to gain profit out of it, how much profit can you make? And that is exactly what calculative risk means. Third, and one of the most finest character displayed by Mahendra Singh Dhoni is to read the game. He totally reads the game standing behind the wickets. Now read the game is to understand what is happening in the game, and that is what makes a captain exceptionally good, and that is what makes the captain take decisions at the right time. So reading the game is one of the biggest quality of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Now how is reading the game related to equity investments? Now by the term reading the game, I mean to say understanding the market, reading the market, understanding the situation of the market, understanding the situation of the sector that you're going to invest, understanding the situation of stocks that you're going to invest is what reading the game as far as equity trading or equity investment is concerned. So it is extremely important for us to display the characteristics of MS Dhoni, to read the game, to read the market, to read the stock, to read the sector and understand what decision, buy, sell, hold, whatever decision you are trying to make. Try and understand exactly what is happening in the market, exactly what is happening in the sector. So that is what read the game is all about. Now the fourth and the last characteristic Mahendra Singh Dhoni displays about is flexibility. Now if you remember, Mahendra Singh Dhoni came into the team as an opener or number 3 batsman, and all of a sudden when he became a captain, he dropped himself to 5th and 6th positions. And at the same time, he also shifted his aggressive mode of batting to defensive mode of batting, trying to be flexible according to the situation. So flexibility is what Mahendra Singh Dhoni stood apart compared to any other players in India or across the world. That exact flexibility is as an equity trader or an equity investor that we need to try to inculcate from Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The reason why I say is because we need to understand how good the market is. Is the market going towards a positive trend? Is the market going towards a negative trend? What are the calls that you need to take in the market when it goes to negative trend, and what are the calls that you need to make in the market when it is stable? So it depends on how flexible you are when as far as stock trading or stock investments is concerned. And that is the fourth and the last point that we need to look at Mahendra Singh Dhoni and learn. Now, ever since the lockdown, there is a lot of buzz about stock market investments, trading and equity investments, and that is why I thought it's extremely important to remind all of you and remind myself that there are some characters that we need to display before getting into equity investments. The first character is to stay calm, the second character is to take calculative risk, the third character is to understand the game well, read the game well, and the fourth character is to be flexible. So I really hope this video was interesting for you. If you really like this video, please go ahead and like my video and share it to all your cricketing fans and MS Dhoni fans. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye until we come next time with a creative, informative and fintertainment sort of video. So thank you very much.